If you are looking for a business with a high success rate, you've come to the right place. In the meantime, let me point out that no business is immune from failure. Any industry that has the potential to make serious money also comes with risk. A well-known principle called the risk-return trade-off states that the potential return rises with a corresponding increase in risk. Hello and welcome to the Finance Guardian channel. If you look at assets with really high yields like businesses, they can often produce well over 30% returns. There is, however, a serious risk attached to all of that. Approximately 20% of new businesses fail during the first 2 years, 45% during the first 5 years, and 65% during the first 10 years, as the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports. Nevertheless, don't lose hope since some businesses have a much higher success rate. In this video, we'll share with you the top 10 businesses that will never fail or go out of the market. Hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it, and let's get started. Number 8. Businesses that operate dump trucks. It would be impossible to function in the modern world without mining, and this industry has a high survival rate, according to Small Biz Trends. Of course, there is no doubt that starting a mining company will be a complex venture that will require a lot of capital. Despite this, a clever way to profit from mining company stability is to start a dump truck business. Dump trucks will always be needed in areas near mining operations to haul away coal and other materials. Starting a mining operation doesn't have to cost you millions of dollars. Instead, you can buy used dump trucks for as little as $15,000. Plus, dump trucks are versatile. Mining isn't the only industry you can go into. No matter where you live, there can be lots of demand for your services from construction companies, landscapers, real estate flippers, and even homeowners who need help with junk removal. Number 7. Businesses involved in healthcare. The healthcare sector is fast-paced with several prospects including pharmacies, clinics, and dentistry. Although there are some concerns about cost, complexity, and uncertainty, this is one of the businesses that will never fail if approached correctly. Whether you're an investor, a businessman, an entrepreneur, or an inventor, it would be worthwhile to try your luck here since healthcare prospects are set to rise dramatically in the near future. Policy Advice gathered statistics showing that healthcare consumes more than 10% of GDP in most wealthy countries. It just makes sense that this number is so high, since in the US alone, its largest employer is the healthcare industry. In 2018, the global health industry was valued at $8.45 trillion, based on current data. Healthcare will be among the world's largest and fastest growing sectors by 2022, with global healthcare spending expected to exceed $10 trillion. As doctors and nurses are burdened with caring for many patients during the COVID-19 pandemic, people have turned to small-scale medical centers or clinics rather than lining up in general hospitals due to fear of contracting the virus. Number 6. Transportation business. Online platforms, e-commerce, and the gig economy have made it easier than ever for entrepreneurs to start a transportation company. Are you wondering what a transportation business is? In simple terms, a transportation business transports products or people for a fee. From a long-haul trucking operation to a simple little side hustle, driving for Uber on weekends or even delivering food is considered a transportation business. And this business has a very high success rate of 76.4%. But as with any business, your results may fluctuate. Some may be riskier than others, but overall, you can expect a solid success. Number 5. Real estate business. According to billionaire Andrew Carnegie, 90% of billionaires got their wealth by investing in real estate. Real estate has made more money than all industrial investments combined. So it is no wonder that real estate investing has achieved an enviable 85.3% success rate. What makes real estate so lucrative? Well, your properties will increase in value over time, your renters will pay down your mortgage, and you'll have monthly cash flow. You have a powerful wealth generator if you pair these benefits with the possibility of leveraging your earnings even further by acquiring rental properties with a loan. Also, by hiring a property manager, you can create passive income from your rental property business. Nevertheless, you don't necessarily need to hire a property manager. If you want, you can still handle each one yourself by spending approximately 5 to 10 hours per month on this. Number 4. Business related to agriculture. In addition to providing food for billions of people every day, the agriculture industry contributes significantly to the global economy. According to World Bank figures, agriculture contributed 4% to global GDP in 2018, and the figure may reach more than 20% in some underdeveloped countries. The agricultural industry involves manufacturing and selling agricultural products like farm equipment, supplies, machines, and other farm-related services. Apart from actual farm activities, agriculture firms usually experience low failure rates and are known for their resiliency. Entering this business will give you a remarkable success rate of 88%. It might be the right opportunity for you if you've got a green thumb and an interest in farming or agriculture-related industries. Number 3. Vending machine business. The success of a vending machine business is somewhat related to its location. Vending industries usually have a 90% success rate, whereas most businesses fail at 85% on average. Since vending machines differ from typical small businesses, many fail because of overhead, not having enough money for advertising, rent, and other expenses. It can also be challenging to find and keep good staff. On the other hand, vending machines can operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you. You can make money even while you sleep with a vending machine, which is a fantastic way to earn money, right? Throughout the years, jobs have become less guaranteed and secure. If you still read your local paper, you'll see that corporate downsizing affects many people. Today, job security is almost non-existent, especially for the 90% of people who work for employers. Achieving your goals may only be possible through owning a business. The vending machine industry is unique compared to any other industry. With little or no experience, the owner can establish an all-cash vending machine business. Plus, vending machine businesses have advantages that are not found in other kinds of industries, such as you can start earning money the day you open your business. Depending on the vending machine, all transactions can be done in cash, so you won't need to worry about bad checks, credit risks, or receivables. It can operate a year-round business with little to no seasonal income fluctuations. Very little overhead, no employees to pay, and so on. The vending machine business can be started part-time while you remain employed full-time at your current job and receive your regular salaries and benefits. Number 2, storage unit business. If you're interested in real estate investing but don't want to deal with tenants, trash, or toilets, self-storage facilities might be a good fit. There is a commendable 92% success rate for these resilient businesses. Self-storage businesses can also be started unmanned if you want your business to be as passive as possible. Thanks to technological advancements, this has become easier than ever. People can now rent storage units using their phones, obtain the code to unlock the unit, and then simply move their belongings into the unit. And the presence of a manager is not required on site unless you want to. Number 1, Laundromats business. With a shallow failure rate, another excellent business to start is the laundromat. In a study conducted by Gallup, Laundry Lux found that 66% of potential entrepreneurs are held back because they are afraid of business failure. It has also been shown that laundromats are very successful, with approximately 95% of them still operating after 5 years. Again, it is important to remember that nothing is guaranteed in business, but this is an excellent recession-proof business that generates money regardless of the economic climate. After all, people's clothes will constantly need washing and drying. Laundromats offer the advantage of being able to operate almost passively. The machines do the work of washing and drying the clothes, while your customers do the loading and unloading. Of course, you'll still have to clean the laundromat, repair the machines when necessary, and collect the money from the machines. And that is the fun part. If you prefer, you can hire someone to handle these tasks for you. With a strong ability to adapt to changes, these businesses have proven to be worth investing in and exploring. They are not only great businesses because of their dominance, but also because of the way they can affect our lives. No matter what industry you choose, do your research, speak with people in that field, and conduct a feasibility study to decide if it is the right one for you. Make sure you have a backup plan in place and don't hesitate to use it if necessary. And that's all the time that we have today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe to our channel to remain updated about all of our future videos. We'll see you next time!